How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, so this is another video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the filters on Instagram. Actually, there is many ways to fix it, but on this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix it. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, go to Instagram. Here on this page you will find the app informations on your phone. Just click here on this option, it's called power usage details, and make sure to disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Click on the app launch and choose manage automatically. Now go here, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage, scroll down, make sure to enable all the data usage options from the mobile data to the roaming data. And now click on storage, click on clear data and restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.